Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming network and account readiness because downloads need steady bandwidth and permissions. Once connected, check storage so the update can install without interruption. Next, go directly to Settings, then System, and select Updates to prompt the console. If an update appears, choose Download and Install. This starts the process immediately. Make sure to keep the console powered. If you lose power during install, you risk corruption, so use a stable outlet or UPS if available. You watch the download and installation progress because interruptions matter. Pause and resume can help but avoid stopping mid-install. If your Wi-Fi is weak, plug in Ethernet to speed things up and reduce packet loss. For complex failures, create a USB offline update. Format a USB to NTFS. Copy the official update files, then follow the console's recovery prompts to install from USB. Once download completes, the console will restart and apply the update automatically, so you finish by confirming the update. Open Settings, System, Console info to see the new OS version so you know the install succeeded. Then launch a game and check network features to ensure everything runs smoothly. If something goes wrong, first power cycle the Xbox and router, then clear the cache by holding the power button for 10 seconds and restarting. If that doesn't work, use the USB offline update method or contact support, because reinstalling from USB resolves most firmware corruption cases.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.